Hello everyone, welcome to the series Facts in Literature, and in today's video we are going to discuss the second part of Shakespeare's works. Stepping into Shakespeare's world, the Globe Theatre. Shakespeare's plays weren't meant for grand curtains or plush seats. They were meant for the open-air energy of the Globe Theatre, a building intrinsically linked to the bard himself. The original Globe, a Shakespearean playhouse 1599 to 1644. Shakespeare's creative canvas. Built in 1599 in Southwark, London, the Globe was more than just a theatre. It was Shakespeare's creative home. Here, his plays came alive under the open sky. A Fiery End, 1613. A touch of dramatic irony befell the Globe in 1613. During a performance of Henry VIII, a special effects cannon misfired, igniting the thatched roof. The fire raged for less than an hour, consuming the entire wooden structure. A short-lived revival, 1614 to 1644. The Globe was rebuilt a year later, only to be demolished in 1644 due to the growing disapproval of public playhouses by Puritan movement. The Modern Globe, a walk through time, 1997 to present. Fast forward over 3 centuries. In 1997, a faithful reconstruction of the Globe Theatre rose near its original site, though a safe distance of 750 feet away. Echoes of the past. This modern marvel captures the essence of the original Globe. While safety regulations limit its capacity to 1400 compared to original's 3000, the open-air atmosphere and wooden architecture transport audiences back to Shakespeare's era. A stage for every play. Since its opening with a performance of Henry V, every single Shakespeare play has graced the Globe's stage at least once. It's a testament to the enduring power of both Shakespeare's words and the Globe's unique theatrical experience. The Globe, more than just a theatre. The Globe Theatre is a symbol of theatrical innovation and cornerstone of Shakespeare's legacy. Stepping into its stands is like stepping into a time machine, offering a glimpse into the world where Shakespeare's genius first unfolded. A breakdown of Shakespeare's play. William Shakespeare left behind a treasure trove of 39 published plays. Let's delve into the different categories. The classics, comedies, tragedies, and histories. Comedies, which are 16 in number. These plays, as the name suggests, are light-hearted and typically end with a wedding or two. Think A Midsummer Night's Dream or Much Ado About Nothing. Tragedies, which are 12 in number. Brace yourself for heartbreak. Tragedies like Hamlet and Romeo and Juliet culminate in the death of the protagonist, often accompanied by a fair share of collateral damage. Histories, which are 11 in number. Ever wondered how Shakespeare viewed history? These plays, inspired by real-life monarchs, think Henry V or Richard III, offer a glimpse into his perspective. Beyond the mold, romances and problem plays. Romances, which are 4 in number. Shakespeare's final works. These plays, including The Tempest, borrow elements from both comedies and tragedies, creating a unique blend with fantastical settings and complex emotions. Problem plays, which are 6 in number. Can't decide if it's funny or dark? Welcome to the world of problem plays like The Merchant of Venice. These defy easy categorization, offering a mix of humor and serious drama. Lost but not forgotten. 2 plays, Cardenio and Love's Labour's Won, are attributed to Shakespeare but haven't survived the test of time. The true nature of Love's Labour's Won remains a mystery. Was it a sequel or something else entirely? With 39 published plays and a couple of intriguing missing ones, Shakespeare's legacy continues to captivate audiences worldwide. The debate over Shakespeare's debut. While many crown The Two Gentlemen of Verona as Shakespeare's inaugural play, the truth is a bit more complex. A Case for The Two Gentlemen of Verona, 1589 to 1901. Thematic echoes. Scholars find hints of themes that resonate throughout Shakespeare's career, like a woman disguising herself as a man. Developing voice. Some argue the play's style reflects a less experienced writer, potentially placing it early in his trajectory. The Contender, Henry VI, Part 2, 1591. Dated debut. This history play boasts a confirmed origin date, making a strong case for being his first. Parts out of order. Interestingly, Shakespeare wrote Part 2 first, following Part 3, with Part 1 coming a year later. The Verdict. A mystery endures. Much like other aspects of Shakespeare's life, the true order of his plays remains shrouded in some mystery. Both The Two Gentlemen of Verona and Henry VI Part 2 have compelling arguments for being his debut. The beauty lies in exploring these early works and witnessing the blossoming genius of the bard. Shakespeare's swan song with the two noble kinsmen. William Shakespeare's final act wasn't just a play, it was a bookend. He began his career with The Two Gentlemen of Verona, a story about male friendship, and ended it with The Two Noble Kinsmen, 1613 to 14, a tale centered around two cousins, Palamon and Arcite, who are both vying for the hand of the same woman, a collaboration fit for a farewell. Unlike some of his other works, The Two Noble Kinsmen is believed to be a collaboration between Shakespeare and playwright John Fletcher. This partnership adds another layer of intrigue to the play, especially for scholars seeking to decipher the bard's distinct voice within the text. Borrowing from a bard of old, the play itself inspired by Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, a testament to Shakespeare's appreciation for literary heritage. The Two Noble Kinsmen follows Palamon and Arcite's bitter rivalry as they become prisoners captivated by the beauty of Emilia, a twist of fate that shatters their bond. A legacy set in stone. While the play may not be considered one of Shakespeare's masterpieces, it holds significance as his final dramatic work. It offers a glimpse into the themes and storytelling techniques that shaped a literary legacy that continues to inspire and entertain audiences worldwide. Shakespeare's most produced play, A Midsummer Night's Dream. A 2016 report by Priceonomics analyzing data from Shakespeareances, a website that documented professional Shakespeare productions worldwide between 2011 and 16, found that A Midsummer Night's Dream comprised over 7% of all staged Shakespeare plays during that period. This enduring popularity can be attributed to several factors. Universal themes. The play explores love, identity, and the follies of human desire, themes that resonate with audiences across cultures and centuries. Witty wordplay and humor. Shakespeare's signature use of language, with its clever metaphors, puns, and comical situations, makes the play enjoyable and entertaining. Accessibility. The play is relatively short and features a straightforward plot, making it easier to stage and understand compared to some of Shakespeare's more complex works. Versatility. A Midsummer Night's Dream lends itself well to a variety of interpretations and adaptations. Directors can choose to emphasize the romantic comedy aspects or delve deeper into the play's exploration of dreams and fantasy. While Henry VI Parts 1, 2 and 3 occupy the bottom spot on the most performed list, Shakespeare's legacy extends far beyond production statistics. His plays continue to be studied, analyzed and reinterpreted, ensuring his place as a giant of literature. Shakespeare's gift: breathing life into language. Coining new words. Shakespeare wasn't afraid to invent new words entirely. Words like bedroom, bump, dawn, and even excitement are credited to him. These words have become so commonplace that we might not even realize their origins. Recycling and repurposing. Not all of Shakespeare's inventions were completely new creations. He breathed new life into existing words by verbing nouns and adjectifying verbs. Imagine using lonely as a verb or outface as an adjective. Shakespeare did just that, giving existing words new functionalities. Word mergers. Combining words wasn't a new idea, but Shakespeare did it with flair. Homesick and leapfrog are testaments to his creativity. Prefixes and suffixes galore. Adding prefixes like un and suffixes like less to existing words wasn't uncommon, but Shakespeare's mastery of the technique expanded the English vocabulary. A legacy beyond numbers. The exact number of words Shakespeare invented is debatable. What's undeniable is his immense influence on the English language. Many of the words he coined or introduced have become ingrained in our everyday vocabulary, a testament to the enduring power of his words. Painting words with language. Shakespeare wasn't one for a monotonous script. His plays were a tapestry woven from both verse and prose. This wasn't random, it reflected social standing. Speaking up the social ladder. Common folks typically spoke in plain prose, while nobles climbed the social food chain of language by using iambic pentameter, a popular poetic meter of the time. It might sound fancy, but it's actually a rhythmic pattern with 10 syllables per line, altering unstressed and stressed syllables. The Bard's rhythmic play. Shakespeare wasn't a stickler for rules though. He liked to bend and twist iambic pentameter to add power to his characters' speeches. Why all the flourish? But why all the descriptive language? Imagine a theatre bathed in sunlight with minimal sets, no elaborate lighting or special effects. Shakespeare relied on vivid words to paint pictures in the audience's minds. Think of it as conjuring up mythical islands, bustling streets of Verona, or chilling Scottish castles, all through the magic of language. So this was the second part of Facts about Shakespeare's works. We will meet in the next video and discuss some more facts about Shakespeare. Until then, goodbye and thank you.